Hi everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial session in bioinformatics. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can install bowtie2 in a Linux environment using Conda. Bowtie2 is a tool that is used to align sequence trees to reference sequences. And so you can read more about it on the GitHub page. And this is the page. I will leave the link to this page in the description box. So just go and then just read about it. We are going to use Conda. And so if you go to the Conda page, you see that there are 3 commands here. So any of these commands can be used to install bowtie2. For this tutorial, we use this command here, the first one here. Now, in order for you to follow this tutorial, you need to make sure you have anaconda installed. And I have a separate tutorial that shows you how to install anaconda in a Linux environment. So you can just watch that to set up your PC. So once you are done, you can install bowtie2. So let's go to the terminal and install. Okay, so before you install, you need to make sure you have added Conda channels. We will add 2 channels here. So let's add them. So we say Conda config add channels. Let's add the first channel, which is bioconda. Let's add a second channel. So we say Conda config add channels. The second one is Conda forge. It's done. You can also check the channel that you have added. So you can say Conda config show channels. And you will see that the 2 channels are here. The default one comes packaged with Conda, so we leave it as it is. Now that you have the channels added, it's time to install bowtie2. There are a number of ways you can use to install, but I'll use this one approach here. So I'll say Conda create. So here I am creating an environment and installing bowtie2 at the same time. So Conda creates -n. And I specify the environment's name, which is bowtie. I'll use this name. So this is the name of the environment. And then we add the tool that we want to install. In this case, it's bowtie2. So we say bowtie2. So this is an environment's name, and this is the software. You can modify the name as you wish, but this one remains the same. So let's proceed. So once you have this command, you run it. So let's run and get bowtie2 installed. So type Y to confirm and then hit the enter key. So now Conda will download all the required dependencies and packages and then install them. And then finally to install bowtie2 as well. So let's wait and then get it installed. Okay, so bowtie2 has been installed successfully. Even though it has been installed, if you want to run it, you need to first activate it. And so let's clear the screen and then just activate the environment and test bowtie2. So we say okay, so we are now going to activate the environment. If let's say you have forgotten the name of the environment, you can check using this command conda and list. This will list the environments that you have created on your system. And so we can see our environment here, the one we created. So to run bowtie2, you need to activate it. So you say conda activates bowtie2. And this will activate the environment for you. So once you have it activated, you can test bowtie2. So just say bowtie2. And it's done nicely for us. So now you can use bowtie2 to perform your alignments. So that's it. So that's how we install bowtie2 using Conda. There are other approaches you can use to install bowtie2. You can compile from source, or you can also use binaries, or you can also use bio containers like Docker. So there are other approaches here. You can see all of them on the GitHub page. So just check this section here and you see all the different approaches. So take note of that. I have also made videos on how you can use the other approaches specified here to install bowtie2. So you can just watch them by clicking the videos that is being shown right now. So just do that. So that'll be all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.